Students, now today we are going to start our last topic of this chapter, which is neutralization in everyday life. Now here we have seen indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. We all know our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. 2. It helps us to digest food, as we have learned in chapter 2 already. But too much of acid in our stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is very much painful also. You have seen so many advertises of Eno and different kinds of substances to relieve from indigestion, which is due to the excess amount of acid in our stomach. So for that indigestion, what we have to do, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia. You have seen that medicine came. What's that medicine's name is? Yes, we have Gelusil, which is having syrup of pink color. It is a substitute of milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid, which is formic acid, into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or calamine solution. You have seen lactocalamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate, okay, so that we can relieve from ant bite, or that adverse effect of formic acid can be relieved. Okay, now soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime. In the soil, if the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter releases acids, which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So here what we have done, you have seen, here we have used all the base to it means to neutralize the effect. Yes, to neutralize the effect of formic acid, to neutralize the effect of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Here, because in the soil treatment with due to use of excessive fertilizers, the soil must be acidic. So the common thing is to neutralize the effect, we have to use bases. Factory waste now. The waste of many factories contains acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.